In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply loans in Axos Bank 2025, step by step. First, head to the official Axos Bank website. Make sure you're on the real site by checking the URL and looking for the secure lock icon in your browser. From the homepage, navigate to the loan section. Axos typically organizes products by category, so you can quickly see options like personal loans, auto loans, mortgages, or home equity loans. Take a moment to read the brief descriptions so you understand what each loan is generally used for and which one fits your needs. Once you're in the right category, it's time to choose the specific type of loan you want. Think about how much you need to borrow, how long you want to repay it, and how flexible you need the payments to be. Pay attention to interest rates, fees, and whether the rate is fixed or variable. Many product pages include an overview of eligibility basics and sample rates, which can help set expectations before you move on. Next, get pre-qualified. This is a quick, no-obligation check that estimates your potential rate and terms without impacting your credit score. During pre-qualification, you'll usually enter basic information like your approximate income, employment status, and the amount you want to borrow. You might also be asked about your housing situation and monthly obligations to help estimate affordability. The goal here is to preview what you could qualify for, so you can decide if the numbers make sense before completing a full application. Review your pre-qualification results carefully. Look at the estimated monthly payment, the annual percentage rate, and the repayment term. If the offer aligns with your budget and goals, you're ready to proceed. Finally, apply for the loan. The full application will ask for more detailed information to verify what you provided earlier. Expect to confirm your identity and provide accurate financial details. Submitting a full application typically authorizes a hard credit inquiry, which can affect your credit score, so apply only when you're confident about moving forward. Before you hit submit, read the disclosures, check the rate, term, fees, and any prepayment details, and make sure everything is correct. After submission, watch for updates from Axos Bank about next steps, which may include providing supporting documents and reviewing final terms. When approved, you'll receive instructions on how and when funds will be dispersed. That's it. Visit the website, choose the right loan, get pre-qualified, and then complete your application with confidence.